If you want to hide your Steam games from other people, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your games private on Steam in just a few quick steps. This is perfect if you want a little more privacy or if you simply don't want everyone looking at your game library and play activity. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam Community in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the Steam profile that you want to change because the privacy settings apply to that account specifically. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page and click your username. This will open your profile options. From that menu, click View My Profile. That will take you directly to your public Steam profile page. Now on the right side of the profile, you'll see a blue Edit Profile button. Click that and you'll be taken into your profile settings. Once you're inside the edit section, look at the menu on the left side and click Privacy Settings. This is where Steam lets you control who can see different parts of your account. If your goal is to hide your games, the setting you need is called Game Details. Scroll until you find Game Details. By default, this may be set to public or friends only, depending on your current settings. Click the drop down next to it and choose the option that works best for you. If you select private, nobody will be able to see your game list, playtime, and related details. If you choose friends only, then only people on your friends list will be able to view them. This is the key step because it gives you control over exactly how much of your library you want to show. If you're trying to keep your account more private, private is the best choice. If you still want your friends to see what you're playing, friends only is a good middle ground. After you make your selection, Steam usually saves the change automatically, so you don't need to search for a save button. Just scroll through the page to make sure everything looks correct. Once it's set, your Steam game details will now be hidden according to the privacy option you chose. And that's it. You've now made your games private on Steam. It only takes a minute once you know where to look. And it's a simple way to protect your privacy while keeping control over what other users can see. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and it lets me know to make more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.